Good morning, everyone. So, if you haven't guessed by now, we have a new friend here. You can just see him right there. This is a harlequin crested gecko. So, he is our new member of the family. So, he likes his little enclosure, and as you can see there, he's cleaning his eyes. But he's got his heat lamp, no UVB, plenty of foliage to hide in and everything. And he's been doing pretty good. So, I believe it's a he, but right now, until I can determine, I'm gonna just name this little gecko Smaug. So, but he's been eating, he's been getting some crickets, getting some crested diet food. So, you may be wondering, what does Shadow think of him? Right? What does Shadow think of him? Shadow really doesn't have a care in the world about him. Doesn't even know he exists. So, but yeah, he's our little friend. So, little live biome, uh, active terrarium, and all is good. So, sorry for not posting anything very much. This little fluff ball has been having some allergy issues today, or for the past several weeks. So the vet originally thought that she was having an upper respiratory infection, but turns out it's just allergies. No asthma, no upper respiratory infection, just allergies. So she's kind of back on the mend of not sneezing and coughing as much as she was for that. So, but otherwise, everything is good here in the Shadow and Smog household. So I'll give you guys an hour update or show you what Smog does at night later. See ya.